emergent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorain, Medina, Portage and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Conneaut, and Lake Erie from Geneva on the lake to Conneaut beyond 5 miles from shore. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 290, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorain, Medina, Portage and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Conneaut, and Lake Erie from Geneva on the lake to Conneaut beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 290 has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorain, Medina, Portage and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Conneaut, and Lake Erie from Geneva on the lake to Conneaut beyond 5 miles from shore. From Million to Willowick, including Lake Erie beyond 5 miles from shore. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 290, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Lorain, and Medina, and the following marine locations: from Million to Willowick, including Lake Erie beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 290 has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Lorain, and Medina, and the following marine locations: from Million to Willowick, including Lake Erie beyond 5 miles from shore.
A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Ohio.
The Lake Erie short-term marine forecast was in. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Woods County in northwestern Ohio, western Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Hancock County in northwestern Ohio until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Van Buren or near St. Mary, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Victoria, North Baltimore, NC, the OND, Arcadia, Ruston, Bamboo, Van Buren, New Regional, Glendale, Westville, Signet, Jerry City, Point Hill, Benton Ridge, West Northwest, Barrettstown, and Jackson. For the protection used to an County in northwestern Ohio, western Seneca County. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Hancock County in northwestern Ohio until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bluffton, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Bluffton, Arlington, Ruffin, Mount Blanchard, Genera, Mount Corey, and Williamstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Hancock, Ohio. Urgent weather message.
Beyond 5 nautical miles offshore line to U.S.-Canadian border. Vermilion to Avon Point. Vermilion to Avon Point beyond 5 nautical miles offshore line to U.S.-Canadian border until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Lorraine Harbor, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. Locations impacted include Sandusky Bay, Lorraine Harbor, Cleveland, and Vermilion. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northern Ohio. Marine weather statement for the following.
Oh, fuck me.
Thunderstorm warning for northern Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, southeastern Hancock County in northwestern Ohio until 2:49.
National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for.
Daylight time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Arlington, or 11 miles southeast of St. Louis, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour wind gusts and semi-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Upper Sandusky, Arlington, Sycamore, Bamboo, Perry, Mount Blanchard, Hewitt, and Kirby. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Hancock, and Wyandotte. Urgent weather message.
The National Weather Service in
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Seneca County in northwestern Ohio until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tiffin, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tiffin, Green Springs, Bloomsville, Attica, Republic, and Flat Rock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Seneca, Ohio. Urgent weather.
Until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:15 p.m. Eastern.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County, Southern Erie County, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bellevue, or 11 miles west of Norwalk, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Norwalk, Bellevue, Willard, New London, Milan, Wakeman, Berlin Heights, Monroeville, and North Fairfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Erie, and Huron. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Lorain County until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Wellington, or 8 miles southwest of Elyria, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elyria, Strongsville, North Ridgeville, Grafton, Eaton, Oberlin, LaGrange, South Amherst, and Dayton Estates. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Lorain, Ohio.
The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity. Severe thunderstorm watch 290.
Weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Erie County and northwestern Pennsylvania until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Northwest Harbor Creek, or 10 miles east of Erie, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Erie, Northeast, Waterford, Wattsburg, Northwest Harbor Creek, Lawrence Park, Leslieville, NCKEAN, Elgin, Fairview, Northwest Harbor Creek, Middleborough. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Erie, Pennsylvania. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Summit County in northeastern Ohio, Portage County in northeastern Ohio until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cuyahoga Falls, or near Akron, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Akron, Ravenna, Cuyahoga Falls, Kent, Barberton, Greene, Hudson, Twinsburg, Talmadge, Streetsboro, Macedonia, Mogator, Garrettsville, Manaway, Stowe, Aurora, Brecksville, Norton, Brimfield, and Fairlawn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Portage and Summit. Means that conditions are favorable for the development. Northwestern Pennsylvania, Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Waterford to near Greenville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Meadville, Edinburgh, Titusville, Union City, Cambridge Springs, Waterford, Cockrington, Centertown, Jamestown, Hightown, Mill Village, Blooming Valley, Cownville, Spartansburg, Venango, Elgin, Centerville, Woodcock, Harttown, and Conneaut Lakeshore. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Crawford and Erie. Urgent weather.
Likely.
Weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stark County in northeastern Ohio until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Canton, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton, Massillon, Greene, Alliance, North Canton, Louisville, Minerva, Hartsville, Waynesburg, East Sparta, East Canton, Myers Lake, Hills and Dales, Limaville, Robertsville, Perry Heights, Maximo, Greentown, and Uniontown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Stark, Ohio.
The forecast for northeast inland Ohio.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Columbiana County in east central Ohio, Carroll County in east central Ohio, northeastern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Louisville to near East Sparta to near Strasburg, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dover, Salem, Columbiana, Carrollton, Minerva, Lisbon, Strasburg, Latonia, Augusta, Salineville, Malvern, Bolivar, Mineral City, Hanoverton, Delaware, Carl, Store, Summitville, Mechanicstown, and Winona. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawas. Urgent weather message. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Muskingum County in east central Ohio, eastern Coshocton County in east central Ohio, western Grimsby County in east central Ohio, southern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Farmertown to near Dresden to Lancaster, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Zanesville, New Philadelphia, Coshocton, Cambridge, Yorwicksville, Newcomerstown, Denison, New Concord, Byesville, West Lafayette, Sugar Creek, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Nadenhut, Tuscarawas, Baltic, Midvale, Below, and Port Washington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Tuscarawas, Ohio. Weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Canfield, or 8 miles west of Youngstown, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Youngstown, Warren, Salem, Columbiana, Boardman, Niles, Campbell, Hubbard, Canfield, Sebring, Lordstown, Hilltop, Ian, Center, May, Overwood Park, Austintown, Struthers, Girard, Vienna, McDonald, and Poland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning and Trumbull.